In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Patreon. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, find the creator you want to support, pick a product, and complete your purchase with a card or PayPal. Clearly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Patreon.com. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're on the correct profile you intend to use for purchases, especially if you've logged into Patreon on different devices before. Once you're in, you'll land on your Patreon home. Next, use the search bar to find the creator you're looking for. Type their name and select their profile from the results to open their page. This is where you'll see their posts and, in many cases, a shop area where creators offer digital products like videos or downloads for a one-time purchase. Give the page a moment to load fully so all options appear. If you're looking to download a video product from that creator, you'll need to buy it. Browse their page and open the specific product you want. Take a minute to read the product description and look at the price, what's included, and any notes about the file type or access. This helps ensure you're buying exactly what you need and understand what you'll receive after payment. When you're ready, click the Buy Now button on the product page. This takes you to the checkout flow, where you'll see a summary of the item and the total. Confirm that the product title and price match what you selected, and make sure any applicable taxes or fees look correct for your region. From here, you can pay directly with a credit or debit card or choose PayPal. If you're paying by card, carefully enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and the billing zip or postal code exactly as it appears on your card's billing statement. Typos can cause a decline, so double check before you continue. If you prefer PayPal, select that option and follow the prompts in the PayPal window to approve the transaction, then return to Patreon to finish. After you've filled in the required details, confirm your purchase by clicking the Buy Now button again to complete checkout. Keep the page open while it processes. Closing the browser too early can interrupt the payment. Once it goes through, you should see a confirmation on screen. That's it. Your payment is complete, and you've successfully supported the creator by purchasing their product on Patreon.